Hello student, I am Dr. Bharat Gadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRT Art, BH Commerce, AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student friends, I am warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about GGUT 251 research methodology. Paper number 4, semester number 4. Now today's we are going to the learn of this topic is introduction to syllabus in the research methodology. Now this is the research methodology is newly subject to introduce the Savitribai Phule Pune University your student. Now today will be discuss introduction to syllabus. Student, this is the MSc Geography syllabus for semester 4. The title is the name of the subject is GGUT 251 Research Methodology. Now, we will be discussed on what is the objective. Will be objective means to maintain the update curriculum, to take care of the fast development in the knowledge of geography, to enhance the quality and standard of geography education, to provide broad common framework to exchange mobility, free dialogue across the Indian geography and associate committee means to create the aptitude of the geography in those students who have the promise for higher studies and creative work in geography, to create confidence in others for equipping themselves with the part of geography which is needed for various branch of science or humanities in which they have the aptitude for higher studies and original works. Now student, these are the some objective. Now today we will discuss one by one topic number. Now topic number first one, introduction to research methodology. In this topic, first of all, this topic is mainly 4 point: meaning and objective of research, characteristics of research and types of research, various steps mean research process and research methods and versus research methodology. These are the 5 topics in the topic number first. Mainly meaning and objective. What is mean by the research? What is the meaning of research? What is the objective of research? What is the difference objective? How to we object to the research? Then which are the characteristics of research? With different types of research. Then various types of process and research. Then research methodology of research methods and versus methodology. These are the 5 topics covered in the introduction to research methodology. Student, topic number 2. Topic number 2 is the name of the topic is research design. What is the research design? How to research design? Then research design. What is mean by the research design? Research meaning of the research design included in the research design. Then next point is how to which is the purpose of the research design. Means the purpose of research design. Then characteristics of good research design. Means how to which is the characteristics of good research design. These are the some topics will be covered in this topic. Now topic number 3. Topic number 3, name of the topic is the research problem. This is the research problem with the definition of research problem. Means definition of research problem. What is meant by research problem? Then how to identify the research problem. Means how to identify the research problem. Then technique involve the defining of the problem. Means those technique will be involved in the defining of the problems. Next one is topic number 4, the sample design. This sample design means the sampling design means the definition and population. Sampling design, definition of population. What is meant by population? What is meant by sample? How to sample design? Then sample and sampling design. Sample and sampling design. Which is the difference between the sample and sampling design? What is the difference between sample and populations? Then advantage and disadvantage of sampling. And fourth one is the characteristics of good sampling. There's characteristics of good sampling. These are the some topics will be included and covered from the all this syllabus. First one. Now the types and methods of sampling. Next, what is different types of method sampling? This is for the stratified per random sampling. These are the some for examples for the methods of sampling. Now next point is topic number 5, methods of data collection. How to data collection? Why the primary data as well as the secondary data. Primary data difference made to collection of the data. First one is the questionnaire methods. This questionnaire method. What is meant by questionnaire? What is the how definition of questionnaire? Then characteristics of a good questionnaire means how to prepare the good questionnaire. Then merits and demerits questionnaire method means what is the merits and what is the demerits of questionnaire methods. Then interview methods. These are the first one is question method means then good questionnaire, then merits and demerits of questionnaire method. Now second primary data will be collected from second method is interview method. In this interview definition, then characteristics of an interview, then merits and demerits of interview. These are the some same points here, questionnaire methods as well as the interview method. Now difference between the interview method and questionnaire method. These are the difference between the interview methods as well as the questionnaire method. Next one is observation method and fieldwork methods. How to data will be collected, methods will be data collection. From the next method is observation method as well as a fieldwork method. Next, and these are the some primary data methods from the collecting of the data. Now second method is a secondary data. These are the first one is first all this method is a primary data method. Secondary data means those are the secondary data, these books, then journals, then census, in all the published secondary published data, primary data will be published is the secondary data. These are the some methods of data collection. Now go to the next point, next chapter data analysis. Data analysis is variable and their types means different variable and different types. Next, hypothesis definition and types. What is meant by hypothesis? How which are the types of hypothesis? These will be included in hypothesis definition and will be discussed in the later on. Then measure of central tendency and dispersion means measure of central tendency means mean, mode and medium. Dispersion means standard deviation, standard deviation, mean deviation. These are the then range. All these things with the dispersion and measure of central tendency. Now correlation and regression analysis with the most important to the any unit variables and correlate to other each other to the regression analysis. Then time series analysis very important here to the data analysis. For the how to times will be data is covered from time analysis. Then different test will be analysis, data analysis for t test and as well as z test and chi-square test. These are the some data analysis modules, different statistical technique for data analysis. Mainly these are the measures of correlation, regression analysis, time series analysis, t test analysis, z test analysis, chi-square test analysis. These are the some methods, statistical method for the using the data analysis. Now next one is the point is technical writing and report writing of research. Means this is the type of research report. Means technical writing and report of writing. Means how to write writing of technical report as well as a reporting writing. Means what is the types of how to research report. Then dissertation and thesis, research paper, review article, short communication, conference presentation, meeting report. These are the some types. First one is dissertation of and thesis, research paper, review article, short communication, conference presentation and meeting report. These are the some different types of research report. Mainly the structure of organization report title. First one mainly structure and organization research report. First one is the title. Second one is abstract. Then keywords, introduction, methodology, result, discussion, conclusion, acknowledgement, references, footnote, table and illustration. These points will be covered from structure. This is a research report. Means which one is research paper? This is the type. Use the title, abstract, keywords, introduction, methodology, result, discussion, conclusion, acknowledgement. Then review of article. We use this all the structure and organization. Then conference presentation. Take this all the point here. Cover. Meeting report. Take all points. Some points will be collection. Meeting report, writing the meeting reports. Means this is the technical report and report writing is in the what is the types of report and this is structure and organization of research report. Means this is the in chapter is technical report as well as the types of research report and the structure of organization of research report. Now go to the next point and literature review. Very important point is literature reviews. Means those point this problem will be to students study mainly how many people will be studied for same problem in international level, national level as well as state level and local levels. Means this very interesting literature review to the any problems to solving and research problem to the literature review very important. Now point is next is topic number 8 is very important, research ethic, plagiarism and funding of agencies. Very important here to the research ethics. Very point here, the research ethics very important point. Then plagiarism is plagiarism is very important. Plagiarism is very important to the research ethics as well as all these things. Now, use of plagiarism detection software. No, so many softwares are available in the world wide using the plagiarism detection software. For example, then Turnitin, then Urkun, as well as then next point is research opportunity and funding agency. Now, so many research opportunity and funding agency were available in the India as well as worldwide. So many research opportunity and funding agencies are available. These are the some point here we cover for research ethics, plagiarism, and funding agencies. Topic number 8. Now, go to the these all this research topic. Research methodology UT is a research methodology syllabus. These are the some reference book from Guam, Cole, Kothari. C are very important book here. Research methodology, method and technique. Then Kothari CR, then Misra Shantibhushan, then Pandey and Pandey, then Tandon, BC, Ulman, Nelly, Imamani, and statistics. These are the some reference book used to the this syllabus. Student, these are the now today will be Student, these are the topic will be discussed. Today will be discussed from the syllabus of research methodology. Now, today we need doubt in inquiry to ask to write a mail on following mail ID. Now, any doubt in inquiries to ask me anytime. And now, student will be today stop here. Remaining part to be continued next lecture. Good day. Bye bye.